Yo, what's going on? Alright, so I try to make my own stain out of alcohol and water-based paint. It smelled a lot with alcohol. It was like a 50-50 portion. I didn't like the way it smelled. I felt like the alcohol would maybe soak into the wood and linger. So I went to Home Depot. I bought this true black water-based wood stain. I've never used this before, but I want to get this so this is the texture I'm trying to get. If you could see, I'm trying to get that wood texture in there, the wood grain. So that's why I bought this. I bought this cheap paintbrush. So we're gonna brush it on and then wipe it off. I don't know how long you're supposed to let it soak in, but you're supposed to wipe it off. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I'm going for. See, so you can still see the wood grain. See if y'all can see that. Probably. I don't know. Anyways, that is exactly what I wanted all throughout the roof. All right, now we gotta do the whole thing. Yeah, that completes. It's about 4 in the morning, and that completes the roof staining. So it's like a gray wash, and I barely had enough. I want to say there's like half an ounce of liquid left. This looks good. All this looks really good. Tomorrow, I gotta put this trim up and caulk all the seams and everything. I've just been using regular multi-purpose caulking, interior, exterior, silicone caulking. It's gonna work for what I'm doing in here, so I'm not like too worried. See, like all in there, all down there. So yeah, once I put this trim up, I'm gonna put it up there and then put the LEDs up. Well, paint it first and then put the LEDs up and then continue the grid walls. I gotta put the grid walls up here and up here and figure out some shelving back there for some inventory and some just compartment space. But yeah, we're gonna call that a night. I'll see y'all later. Have a good night. Peace. So today we are gonna be doing the clear coat. I bought some polyurethane gloss. It's a water-based, fast drying for the stain that I did. It's kind of dark in here, but yeah. Oh, there
hello guys.
It evened out. There it is. So I did do a section right there. Oh, you could kind of see it. That's the section right there that I did do. Now we got to do it all on the rest, right?
Yeah. And then I'll
Thank you. So we're gonna put these lights up.
Heavy.
There it is.
What if I paint the lights?
No, we're gonna take down the lights.
Why are you
We're just gonna let them hang.
them?
Yeah.
Our dad polish. Dad, look, our dad polish. I was polished
Okay.
my face. Wait, that's pink.
Yeah, it looks like this, but it dries clear. Huh? I have to get it so it could soak in.
Ah.
Whoa.
I'm gonna show you my pressing too hard.
Yeah, I think you pressed too hard too. I don't have a rag. Where's the rags? Over here.
My hand will be shiny.
It doesn't burn.
Yes.
It does? Okay, look. I'm gonna show you how. Look, you're gonna do this. Back and forth.
Yeah. I could also do it like this.
Try not to squeeze it on there. And then I'm gonna make the brush strokes. Yo, what's going on, guys? So today's the next day and we are going to be doing the interior painting now. Finally, I know. It's about midnight, exactly midnight, 2-2. We are going to be painting the wall like real light gray. I don't have any real light gray. Well, I do, but it's like a little too dark. So I'm going to mix some of this paint. I got some primer over here. It's the kilts, and I'm gonna make my own like primer plus paint mix, so I could just throw it over all the wall. Let's get this. I already poured a little bit, but it wasn't enough. Hey, for all my graffiti writers, do y'all remember that video? What was it called? Can't Be Stopped? No, Infamous. It was Infamous. Y'all remember when T-Luck was saying he would be pissing in the buckets just to make a little bit more paint? Well, yeah, I'm gonna be doing that because I've given my blood, my literal blood with this. I fucking shot my finger. I didn't record it. Well, I wasn't filming. I should have been recording it, but I shot my finger with a nail gun. It went literally through my pinky, and I should have taken a picture. I didn't even take a picture. Anyways, I have a couple of drops of blood somewhere around here. I was thinking about that the other day, like, oh, remember that time T-Loke said, yeah, we pissed in bucket paint just to have a little bit more. I'm gonna do that behind the scenes. I also want to do like a incognito type of graffiti, like using the next tone of grays. Lighter grays, darker grays, whites. I think that would look dope. Plus, I'm gonna cover it anyway, so I don't even know why I'm gonna do it. But it's all in the little details. Maybe somebody would appreciate it. I know I would, since I'm gonna be staring at this build for so long. Bam. All right, so we got all the walls painted. Now I gotta touch up all the edges and stuff, but man, that looks sick. We got all that trim done. I got a little bit of black paint on this, but nothing what alcohol can't fix. got a little bit on there. That's all right. Oh, dude, it bled through. So I got all the lights up. I do need to do a lot of touch-ups, a lot of little touch-ups. I need to tuck in this little area over here, touch it up with some black paint. All the corners, I couldn't wait. It's already like, it's 2:30 in the morning. I couldn't wait. I wanted to actually see the paint with the lights up and everything. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. We'll see y'all later. Good night, fools and foolettes. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.